Welcome back to Videoscape. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your lighting go from something like this to something that looks a little bit more like this. The way that I'm achieving this look right now is with a black background behind me and 3-point lighting. I'm going to talk about each of the 3 lights that you'll use in 3-point lighting, and I'll turn them on as I mention each one of them. So this is what it looks like with just the key light. You can see that there's a big shadow on this side of my face. The fill light will come in on one side of me where that shadow is presenting itself, and that will come in and fill in some of the darkness. So let's turn that on now. So I now have the fill light on. You can see those shadows are gone on that side of my face, and I'm fully illuminated now. So the last light in this 3-point lighting setup is a backlight. So I have this tiny little light behind me. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace for $5 because all it needs to do is separate me from the background. So this light will hit my back and make me pop from the background quite a bit and just kind of even out your whole lighting setup. So let's turn that on now. So hopefully you can see now I'm popping from the background a little bit, which is a little easier to do if you have a plain black background like this, but it'll work in just about any setting and really helps set your foreground apart from your background and makes everything come together really, really nicely. And for this setup, I have my camera set up just about level with my head. I have a 50mm prime EF lens on there, and it's a Canon 90D is what I'm shooting on. So that's it, guys. I just wanted this to be a real quick video on how you can achieve better lighting in a setting like this. I hope you guys learned a lot from it, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give it a like if you really enjoyed it, and I'm hoping to be posting on this channel a lot more in the future, so stick around to learn a bunch more about production, photography, and things like that. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.